Cold air doesn't just chill your body, it ambushes your throat from the inside. The moment winter air hits your nose, it drains moisture like a vacuum, turning your airway into dry, irritated sandpaper. Your body reacts instantly. Mucus surges, throat tightens, nerves panic, cough reflex on. Not because you're sick, but because your body thinks it's under attack. Here's the hidden villain. Cold air slows down the tiny protective hairs in your throat, the cilia, so dust, germs, and viruses slip through like it's an unlocked door. That scratchy feeling, that's micro damage happening in real time. Winter didn't just arrive, it broke your defense system. Your brain reacts faster than you think. Follow for more daily science.